Okay, this is Sergio again from Smart LED, and in this video I'm going to show you how it looks like when you first turn on the screen. So again, I've already plugged in the brain box. Okay, I've already connected it, and I can see that it's on by looking here on the side at the red and amber, the green and amber, and the green light on this other connection. Okay, so now I've also connected here. Now this you have to hardwire, but I've temporarily connected it with this junction connection that is just like a temporary connection. Okay, so make sure that it's grounded. It's very important that all the digital signs have a very good ground, which is the green wire, and you should also chassis ground it as well to a 0 ohms ground. That's what we're looking for. Okay, so I'm just gonna plug it in with this temporary connection just to show you how it looks like when you boot it up. Okay, so you plug in the screens, and then as soon as they boot up, you'll see they have these color wheels on them. Now, once the color wheels show up, then you know that the power and the data on the back has been connected properly, because you can see this is 2 sign sections right here. See, is this side and this side, and there's going to be one more on this side, which is the third one, which is over here to complete the sign, right? So so now going back here, you can actually push all the cables in, and you can close the track. You can leave it open. It doesn't matter, because this is all fully waterproof, IP68 waterproof front and back. Okay, so now when you connect these all up, and you feed the power, and you see that they're on like this, then you're ready to just call our technical department at 1-800-762-0796, extension 196. Or you can email us at support@smartlighting.com, or you can even call the hotline, which is 323-418-2881, because once this is on like this, then we need to activate the brain box onto the cloud system. And then once it's activated on the cloud, you'll see it populate with the business's logos and all the other information from the business. Okay, so that concludes the training on how to connect this XLS Pro system from Smart LED, how to connect the brain, the D1 connection. As you can see, there's antenna. In here, there's going to be an antenna system, which you're going to connect all the 3 antennas here on the 24 karat gold plated plugs and screw them in. And there's also going to be a brightness sensor right here, which you're going to screw in there. Okay, the LAN is not used. And also on most signs, unless it's a billboard, you won't be using D2, D3, D4, just D1, okay? And then here on the side, there's a service USB if you want to connect a USB cable to access the inside brain without having to open this latch, okay? So that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna go real quick through what is part of this system. And most systems, you're gonna see this, they're the sign sections right here. Okay, there's the brain box, which is usually packed on the top of the crate. Like this is it right here. This is the brain box. See the sleeve, the foam sleeve for the brain box, and this closes up. You're gonna have the power cables for side 1 and side 2. Obviously, this is side 2. And you're gonna have spare panels, see? Spare right panel and spare left panel, because this series, the panels are actually left-sided and right-sided. So they're keyed to connect one way, but with the QI panel 1x2, they're universal, so it'll fit anyway. But this XLS Pro, they're left and right panels. So you have 2 spares of each. Okay, you have the power cable, you have the side 1 to side 2 cables, you have the whole toolkit and hardware and all the accessories, you have the LED tools, and then you have the data cable, the D1 data cable, which we're gonna put back in here, which is connected right here right now. Okay, so data goes in from one side, it travels on to the other one, then there's a connection that jumps side 1 to side 2, and power is independent. Both power for side 1 and side 2 is on separate cables. Okay, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Again, if any questions, call us 1-800-762-0796, or email us support@smartledinc.com or sales@smartledinc.com, or call the hotline 323-418-2881. Thanks for watching.